This is the latest project. This is my 1989 Lotus Esprit Turbo. This car really doesn't need a lot, but there are a few things that I do plan on taking care of. The alternator isn't charging. There's a few chips in the paint. There's some simple fiberglass repair underneath the car near the radiator. I'm going to replace the wheel center caps. The passenger window is very slow. The paint needs a good buffing, and I'm also going to replace the radio. I'm going to video each of these projects, so if you want to see what it takes to make these repairs to my Lotus, please click the subscribe button and make sure that you like it.